Have you ever wondered how it feels to be judged by a machine? To apply for a loan, wait a few seconds, and receive a rejection with no explanation, no human voice, no second chance? Now imagine that decision happening not once but millions of times every single day. Most people think ethical AI and algorithmic accountability are abstract academic ideas meant for policy debates. But the truth is, they exist because AI in finance makes real decisions that directly affect people's lives. To see this clearly, imagine a simple situation. A student applies for a loan. An algorithm reviews their data and instantly says no. Without realizing it, that moment already exposes the core problem ethical AI is designed to solve. This is the Learning Studio, where we don't just explain finance, we question how it should work. What's actually happening behind that decision is simple but powerful. An AI system analyzes historical data, identifies patterns, and applies rules to predict risk. But if the data is biased, incomplete, or poorly designed, the outcome can be unfair. Ethical AI exists to make sure that automated financial decisions are not only efficient, but also fair, transparent, and accountable. At scale, this becomes critical. AI systems now decide who gets credit, how much interest they pay, which transactions are flagged as fraud, and which customers are labeled high risk. These systems are fast and accurate, but speed without ethics creates harm. A biased credit model can quietly discriminate. A black box algorithm can deny opportunities without explanation. An unaccountable system can damage trust across the entire financial ecosystem. That's why ethical AI rests on a few non-negotiable ideas. Fairness means algorithms must not discriminate based on gender, race, location, or background. Transparency means decisions should not be hidden behind mystery logic. Explainability means a customer deserves to know why a decision was made. Accountability means institutions, not machines, remain responsible. And data privacy ensures personal information is protected, not exploited. This isn't theoretical. Financial regulators now demand explainable credit models. Banks are required to audit algorithms the same way they audit financial statements. AI decisions must leave trails that can be reviewed, challenged, and corrected. In modern finance, trust no longer comes from human signatures alone, it comes from responsible code. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Technology itself is neutral. It's the humans who design, train, and deploy AI that determine whether it becomes fair or dangerous. Ethical AI doesn't slow innovation. It prevents innovation from becoming destructive. Once you understand this, the fear around AI changes. The real risk isn't machines making decisions. The real risk is machines making decisions without responsibility. Now that you understand the intuition behind ethical AI and algorithmic accountability, the next natural step is to explore the future CFO and human leadership in an AI-driven economy. Because as machines grow smarter, human judgment becomes more valuable, not less. Stay sharp, stay ethical, and keep learning with the Learning Studio, where future finance is built with intelligence and responsibility.